few days ago, I decided to join a trading competition by TradingView. For you to be eligible for this, you need to have a paid plan. And these are the list of the available competition. The very first is the Leap by Urex. It's actually a sponsored competition, and we were sharing about 20k is up for grabs with 200 plans. It already has about 49,303 traders, and the assets being traded is futures. There's also the Leap Crypto Edition coming up soon, February 27th to March 13th, and 19,000 traders have already signed up. And there is also the Leap Magnificent 7 with 500 plans as the price. 2,000 people have already 2,913 people have already signed up, and the asset class is stocks. So this is the one I'm currently participating in. 20k price with 200 plans. So when you click on it, see details, you would see. So this is the Leap sponsored by Urex. In case you're on a paid plan and you're wondering how you get access to this, it's just tradingview.com/d-leap. So you would see it, tradingview.com/d-leap. So this is it. So the Leap sponsored by Urex, we have 26 days duration. Currently, in 2,620th position. Realized profit is 4.76k, 4.8k, and the profit realized profit in percentage is 4.76%. I've missed out on a lot of opportunities. That's why my profit is quite low. I've not really taken advantage of my opportunities, and that's a very key thing you should know as a trader. Taking advantage of your opportunities, that's what is going to distinguish you between being a profitable trader and being a losing trader. Because if you don't take advantage of your opportunities, you're likely going to get desperate for um, more opportunities, which is going to make you trade when you ought not to, because you've already missed out on your ideal opportunity. So I've missed out on a lot of opportunities, I'm not going to lie, and currently I'm at 4.8k with realized profit of 4.76%. So this is me. I'm quite behind. The top trader is at 60k. I intend to win this competition, but I don't know how. So I still think I'll get inspiration anyway. First position will take 3k, second 2.5, third 2k, fourth 1.5, fifth 1,000, sixth to 25th 250, 26th to 50th 200, 51st to 250. It's 3 months subscription. So this is me. This is currently me. So trade now. Just click on that. You would see my account. I intend to win this, but I don't know how I'm going to do that. I guess I just have to take it much more seriously compared to the way I'm doing now. Make sure I maximize all of my opportunities. So this is 4.75, 9.45 realized profit. I've traded for the 5 days, because you must trade for 5 days as part of the conditions of the competition. So I just wanted to share that update with you guys. I will see you in my next video, probably give you more updates about the competition, and if I win, I'll be super happy if I win, but I don't know how, but I guess I can do it. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.